Hi, I'm James Krause, and welcome to Ingenuity BtoB, an initiative to highlight innovation in a wide variety of industries throughout Northeast Ohio. We're talking today to Richard Seaman, president of the Seaman Corporation. They make a wide range of high-performance fabrics and have been an innovator in that industry for 60 years. We talked about the history of the company, some of its innovative technologies, and how they compete against imports from China and Korea. Richard, let's just start with a little bit about the history of the company. How did it all begin?
Seaman Corporation was started 60 years ago by my father in Canal Fulton, Ohio. He started with 2 sewing machines in the basement of our home, and his first contract was sewing lace around baby doll diapers. And he began mixing up his own vinyl compounds. I remember as a child sitting in our kitchen in the evening watching my father mix these compounds up and stick them in my mother's oven to cure them, and then put them in the freezer to see if they stayed flexible at cold temperatures. All of that curiosity led to some proprietary products, but in the middle 50s, he thought maybe he could take those vinyl coating and spread them or coat them onto nylon fabric and make a coated fabric that would replace canvas tarps. The culture for innovation in our company began with my father. He was always looking for new applications for fabrics, and very early on in the early 60s, he developed coated vinyl fabrics for architectural fabric structures, primarily for air-supported structures. We also use those architectural fabrics for a wide variety of other kinds of structures, architectural structures. The one in this area that's most noted is the large stage cover down in the flats that's at the Nautica area. Well, that fabric is one of our high-performance fabrics.
So something like the Nautica stage is pretty visible, but what are some of the other things that this fabric is used for?
Other applications include fabrics for environmental uses, where you have to have good chemical resistance in the fabric application itself. As a result, one of our high-performance XR5 geomembrane products is used in a lot of waste and water containment applications. We also make a variety of fabrics for the military applications. Probably our most high-performance fabric is a urethane-coated material. That fabric is then sold to a couple of manufacturers in this country that make above-ground fuel storage tanks out of them. The capacity of these tanks can hold anywhere from 5,000 gallons of fuel or water, up to the large ones will hold up to 210,000 gallons of fuel.
So in terms of innovation, what kind of investments are you making?
You can invest in your equipment and your technology. We have found that you also have to invest in your people. And one of the areas we started to do this in about 6 years ago was in the area of Lean Sigma. Basically, it's focused on eliminating waste in your processes, and you really shorten your time cycles of doing things with your equipment. We have been able to take over $5 million of direct costs out of our operation. But more importantly, we've probably increased our capability and our productivity by a factor of 40%. Even though we're niche-oriented, we still have a lot of competition from China and from Korea, the Asian areas. To be successful at competing against that, you have to get your associates to be as productive as possible, and you have to have a strong focus on customer service. Part of the focus on customer service is the ability to respond quickly to their demands and their needs. Lean Sigma adds that capacity and capability and flexibility to your manufacturing operations, which allows you to do that more effectively than a manufacturing plant in China, for example.
That was Richard Seaman. You can learn more by visiting SeamanCorp.com. This has been Ingenuity BtoB, an initiative to highlight innovation in a wide variety of industries throughout Northeast Ohio. If you'd like to be featured on Ingenuity BtoB, please contact me at jkrause@ingenuitycleveland.org. I'm James Krause for Ingenuity.